Hi children. So let's continue our chapter 9, our body. And last class we have discussed about two organ systems. Now let's continue with the digestive system. It's a third organ system which is very important in our body. It controls the function like digestion. Do you know what a digestion is? We are having food early morning as breakfast, then during the noon time as lunch, and during night as the dinner. And in between we are having our midday meals too, like snacks, tea, milk, etc. So all these food contain many nutrients in it. Children, these nutrients should reach every part of our body. How they reach every part of our body? It's through the blood, or the blood is carrying all these nutrients from the food to the different parts of our body. Now, the blood just can't take all the food, all the nutrients from the food. First of all, the food has to be grinded well. It should be just changed into a juice form. Same way how our mother is grinding the coconut. Have you noticed? She will just grate the coconut. Then she will put the coconut in a mixer grinder. Just switch on it. After a few seconds, it will be grinded well. So for grinding, she will pour some water also. Same way here, the food is grinded well and just changed into a liquid form. So this is known as digestion. That means the food which is broken down into a simpler form, so that the nutrients can be absorbed by the blood and carried to the different parts of our body. So, this digestion is carried by the digestive system. Now, children, we should learn what all organs are associated with this digestive system. So, we all know we take food with our mouth. First of all, we put this food inside our mouth. There, digestion is taking place. Do you know how? It is with the teeth. It chew the food well, and then only we will swallow it. So, the digestion always starts from our mouth. And from the mouth, the half-chewed food will be swallowed and it passes through a pipe here. And this pipe is known as food pipe. From the food pipe, it is connected. The food pipe is connected to the stomach. So, through the food pipe, the food or the half-digested food reaches the stomach. There also, some digestion takes place, and from the stomach, it is connected to the small intestine or simply intestines. Intestines are of two types. Small intestine and large intestine. Again, the food from the stomach passes to the small intestine. There, digestion takes place. And, you know, children, for the grinding of food, we need to add some digestive juices. It is provided by our liver and pancreas. So, the liver and pancreas provides the digestive juices which helps our food to digest properly. So, in the small intestine, the digestion is completed. No more digestion takes place in the large intestine. So, the undigested food or the waste is passed from the small intestine to the large intestine. So here, large intestine, a lot of waste products will be formed, and if there is any water presence in that waste, There, in the large intestine, the cells absorb this water, and the very waste which is formed after the digestion of food should be excreted from our body or should be thrown out from our body. And this waste is thrown through an organ known as anus. So, we are taking food, chewing it properly, swallowing it, their digestion occurs, waste will be just thrown out from our body. So children, this is the process of digestion which takes place in our digestive system. So did you understood what importance our digestive system has in our body? So this is the function of the digestive system, and just notice that many organs together perform this function, that is the digestion. Okay, so that's all about our digestive system. Now children, let's move to the next organ system, that is respiratory system. Coming to the next organ system, that is respiratory system. It is mainly for respiration or breathing. Simply we can say it as breathing. So breathing means taking in air, giving out air. But the air is different. Taking in air, that is mainly for the different functions which are very, very important in each and every cell. So that air is oxygen. So the air which we breathe in is called inhaled air, that is oxygen. Now we breathe out air, that is the waste air which is not needed for our body. So that waste air which we just breathe out is carbon dioxide. So the air which we breathe in is called inhaled air, and the air which we breathe out is called exhaled air. So children, inhaled air is oxygen while exhaled air is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide has no importance in our body, so it should be thrown outside or it should be exhaled. So all these things forms the respiratory system. So here the organs involved in the respiratory system are, one is our nose. We all know we are breathing with our nose itself, isn't it? We can breathe also with the mouth, but we should breathe the air with our nose only, because the air which we breathe have many dust particles, germs. It is filtered in our nose because there are many hair-like structures which traps the dust particles there, and it allows the fresh air to get inside. So that is the starting organ for the respiratory system is our nose. Then from the nose it passes through the windpipe. In the digestive system we learned about food pipe. Here it is another pipe known as windpipe. So air just passes through the windpipe and it is connected to the lungs. There are two lungs, and this lungs will expand when the air comes and fill onto the lungs. And then from there oxygen will be carried by the blood to the different parts of the body, and after that the blood carries the carbon dioxide, which is a waste for our body. Again it takes back this air to the lungs, and from the lungs it will be exhaled outside. So this is the process which happens in our respiratory system. So hope you understood both the organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system. So children, you have to learn about the organs which are involved in each organ system. That's very important. And also should learn the diagram of that digestive system. No need to study the diagram. That means you don't have to learn to draw. Just only understand the parts of the digestive system or the organs involved in the digestive system. Same way lungs also. You should understand. You should know to identify each organ. Okay. So children, take care. Bye.